we have Qualifier 2 for all of you. If you come in the top 10%, you are going to make it to the championship on November 17th. That is the day we're going to be giving away $250,000 here on NinjaTrader. $100,000 goes to the winner for a sim event. It's pretty massive. The next thing we're going to talk about is the other competition that's going on at the same time. You're going to have traders inside NinjaTrader Live. They're not in your competition. They are competing themselves. They are competing for a different prize pool. The winner today, only one winner, gets $5,000. And so you're going to see that leaderboard throughout the morning. That will be here on NinjaTrader Live. And then they'll all be in the competition for the final round on November 17th, where we're going to be giving away money to charities. So without further ado, let's get ready to trade the open on NinjaTrader Live Arena Cup Qualifier 2. What up, what up?
What's good?
Howdy.
Was XY crying? XY, what was happening there?
I couldn't tell.
What were you
Can't
thinking?
tell if I'm crying or just yawning.
Oh, dude.
Figure it out.
It's early for you, man. I know.
It's
I mean, I thought maybe...
It's pitch black outside. It's super dark. That's how early it is. It's still nighttime.
Yeah. Well, and Kane, you're back in the UK, right? Kane's up fresh. He worked out. I mean, he probably, you know what I mean? He did his yoga stretches. He was doing this earlier. We saw him in the green room. He's doing this. He's ready to...
I'm ill.
You're sick.
Yeah, I caught like the flight flu. I've been battling the flu for like the last 3 days. So yeah, I got a sore throat, got my soothers, I've been having hot drinks. So yeah, I'm not really feeling that great right now, to be honest. I wish I had gone to the gym, done Pilates, gone to yoga, got my iced coffee, did everything, you know, like I wish that was my morning, but it was actually just been chilling and trying to get through the day, to be honest. So
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way. You know, I know. Let's look at this is what happens when you're traveling all the time, buddy. Look at, you know, I mean, look.
oh, it's
you got the
completely
plate.
my own fault. Yeah, it's completely my own fault.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Market Mommy, welcome to the network. How are you?
Hey. Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So, you know, I was looking at your profile and you're Market Mommy, and you know, I gotta tell you, you kind of got the Market Stepmommy vibes going a little bit more than Market Mommy. You're a little young, so I'm just I'm just saying, calling it out right now.
Well, I'm not that young.
Yeah, well,
I'm still in my 30s, so not that.
yeah. Well, I'm excited to have you here. You've got a crew that is regulars on here, and so I'm excited to see what you do today. And then we got my boy Leo. What's up, big cat? How you doing?
What's going on, brother? We're just living that baby life right now. Still suffering. Yep.
So let's talk about this today. You know, XY again. You know, everyone keeps giving XY the favorite. I gotta tell you, here's my thoughts on what happens today. It'd be interesting to see how everyone starts off. You know, it's a little different competition. You know, last competition, we had Stowe battling it out with Jade Cap all the way to the end, and it's different because a lot of you guys have great followers. You guys are successful because you're used to a disciplined approach. One thing I want to let everybody know in chat is, remember, they're doing a competition today. It's sim, it's fun. They are playing for $5,000. So they are going to do things that they don't normally do. But what's interesting about these competitions is that you have all of these different products. And I want everyone to know, because this came up last time, you can trade all these products at once. And so then it becomes really challenging. You know, it kind of comes, whoever starts off strong, you're chasing the leader. And so it can get a little bit skewed because remember, you got 6E, which is not the mini. You've got gold, which was last time a big flyer of it. You got the micro gold, you got micro crude oil, you got micro NASDAQ, and micro E-mini S&P. Now, the reason also, too, why we use the micros for this, everybody in chat, is to make it difficult. Look, we're paying for real money, and you got all these products. It's, you know, it's a little different than what you're probably normally used to doing, and it's also different from what they're doing. And so, again, understand that that's what these competitions are all about. And my thought process is, whoever the one is the most versed in the other products is really going to be the one who steps out. So I want to go across the board. I'm going to start with Leo and then get to Market Mommy at the end. Leo, what's the plan of attack today for markets you'll be trading?
Well, this is new for me because I have not traded 6E, CL, and GC all in one day, and as well as the indexes. So I'm looking just to take my normal index strategy, and then for these three other markets, look for like some decent
more or less like swing trade ideas, like intraday swing. So not trying to be too active, just put on a trade, let it work, and then just see how that works out for me today.
Kane, we got to go to you. Look at, I mean, I know you are, you get juiced up for competitions, man. I mean, look at, I said the same thing to Jake Cap last week, and it's not, you trade one product. You're very focused on what you're doing. So true to your plan and your strategy. For you, this is different. And I know you love to win, but what's the approach today?
I jokingly said that I'm going to long everything in the open and pray for a weak dollar, but I think the reality is I'm just going to play everything super low time frame and just get in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm basically going to try and become Stouffer today is what I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
I'm just using this as like a nice way, like push something completely different. Like I'm really patient. I trade for 2 hours a day. And if I don't get it, I don't get it. And today I'm just going to do the complete opposite. I'm just going to try and stay in the market all day for as long as possible and pretty much hope for the best. And if it comes out on top, then great. We're just going to pivot to that full time. And I'm just going to forget my social life.
Yeah, exactly. You know what? I'm going to tell you this. I like the approach of playing off the weak dollar today. You got weak dollar, you got strong euro, strong yen, Swissy, pound all up against it, equities up against it, coming off China trade talks. Interesting approach. XY, we'll go to you, my brother, who loves the Nazi. But again, we've all these products. What's the plan today?
I mean, apart from the NASDAQ and gold, I haven't looked at anything else since 2023. So just pulling up any high time frame chart and kind of like a mixture of Leo and Kane's approach, where for Leos is just try to get in something that we can sit in, but at the same time, my style is just get in the markets, make your dollars and get it out real quick. So chat knows I don't and can't trade for very long in succession. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with Kane's like stove style approach, where it's not about being green today. It's about being the biggest green today. So we're gonna full
Right.
court press
All
the way up and down. Yeah, we'll see where we end.
Market Mommy, you heard from the boys what their approach is. What's your approach on a day like today?
I guess I am just looking to see, just follow some continuations and look for some rate like ATR expansion in 6E and kind of just follow the trends.
So stay with whatever the trends are coming out of the overnight into the intraday.
Yeah. Yeah. See if we get some continuations. And if that trend doesn't continue, then go for the trade the reversal or something like that.
Yeah, I mean, it's one of those days where, again, everybody in chat, understand it is a qualifier for you as well. It's a chance to win real cash prizes. Again, you might not be doing what you're doing on a regular day. But actually hope not, 'cause it's going to be a little bit of a different challenge. Again, also with the traders that are in here as they are competing as well. So I'm going to leave you guys here. Chat, all I ask you to do, hit like and subscribe. Look what we're bringing here for you today on the Qualifier 2. Great lineup, a lot of fun. Again, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of banter throughout the day. So hit that like and subscribe so you never miss an episode here on NinjaTrader Live.
Maybe I just place no trades and hope you guys all lose money, and then I just win through nothing.
Well, that wouldn't have worked last week, and I don't think the chat wants that.
Yeah, but I think Kyle was the only one that made money in the end, right?
No, Stowe and
Oh yes, yeah. But I think at one point they were up a lot more, and in the last hour, a lot of them gave a lot back.
yeah, I think they went for it against each other, and one of them came out victoriously.
I think that they sat in their longs, right?
It's all day.
Oh
yeah.
Kyle was in his 6E short, I think, all day.
Well, Stowe he needed to flip short because he's in the same trade as Jade, but Jade's P&L's running, hand in hand higher. So the only way to win is you gotta hope the downside happens and you're on it.
I think Stowe was,
C trade.
Kyle was only trading a few, and the ones that Stowe were trading, he ended up giving some of the same trade back. So that's just where Kyle pipped into the post, I think. It was unlucky. It was a good watch, though.
How can anyone scout with NT? It happens every day here, Martin.
Yeah.
Every day, someone is on YouTube scalping with NT.
Orders being rejected. Oh my gosh, people can't read.
You trying to get in?
No. They're not open.
Run the open.
It's not open for another 30 seconds. So I'm going to kick back, let the open do its thing.
Same.
I'm going to play Pax's OR on every asset today.
Oh man, I should have did that.
Just about me.
Just start full court pressing the OR all the way.
I'm just gonna press the OR all day. Hopefully we range, and I can just take 15-point rotations off of the OR and do packs, make packs proud. Right, good luck, gang.
Best of luck.
That was a bit early with the ding ding.
Hope you all have bad luck.
Take out this overnight high and let's get short gain.
Yeah, maybe. They're gonna, if the OR pushes to the overnight high, I
There
might
it is.
just
There it is.
short off the OR. Yes, it's miles away. 6E. Okay, I'm gonna be a man of my word, and I kind of want to short 6E. Long. Sorry.
Let's see what these other markets. Okay, so CL went straight up after testing yesterday's low. 60 is doing nothing. I kind of do want a long 60 as well.
Yeah, but I don't know if I can here.
I'm gonna take a short on CL.
Off the OR, literally. The OR and CL is at 9.
A retest of the OR.
Yeah.
Or low. Just 2 lots. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold's breaking down a little bit.
Yeah, I want a little retest on gold to get short on it. There's a lot of room lower, I think. Do we do it? Do we do it?
I can. Let me pop that open.
Is it gonna do it?
Took one off for $50 and gold or CL. And gold is gold's on the move.
Did you long or short CL?
Short. I'm gonna take a step short at the and then Q and ES.
Yeah. I want to see him deviate once more. Like ES is breaking down now, so
Yeah.
ES is a lot weaker here than NQ. Huh?
I'm sure ES. Apparently I'm playing strong dollar, not weak. Okay.
Let's see.
I'm in gold, short gold.
I wanted to long gold at the low of that move, but my brain is frying from looking at 5 things. I should have did what Leo did, just pull at 5 doms.
Just wait. Yeah, I'm gonna get cooked on gold if I hold this.
And you know what's funny is I was short GC, not CL.
So you just got fucking lucky.
Fractal XY, is that a dead body yet? My account is the dead body right now, man. Down $480.
You're down 480?
Yeah, I've been full porting it.
Damn, you guys are down bad.
Same.
Yeah, we've been full porting. Leo's talking about, I'm like,
That's what I have to
Tesla
lose.
legging in. I'm like, no, I'm all in.
Yeah, what do I have to lose? Some digging on the internet? Couldn't care.
Yeah.
I'm back short gold. Oh, that's working out pretty nice.
Yeah, I'm long gold.
Yeah.
Long off that low.
Yeah.
Can I rebid this low again? Second time, I'll get long.
But as of right now, the only trade I'm in is an oil long.
I should have just kept buying ESV up, honestly.
Okay, I'm now back in a gold long.
If you guys are both long gold, I have to short.
Yeah, do it. Capitalize off of our downfall.
I'm gonna short the swing low of gold. It's always a good idea. Is Salty just dead silent because he's just killing us right now?
Anybody else green?
Green?
Yeah, is anybody green?
I'm barely in weeks.
Green in weeks. That's a fucking lie.
Well, I'm gonna need 6E to take me green because nothing else seems to want to. Don't know what to do with this oil right here.
That's the one I'm leaving on all day. I'm just gonna close my chart.
ES is still buying, building a lot of volume up here.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my oil trade over here because that's the only one actually worth.
You long oil, King?
I am, yeah.
I feel like I'm in a banger oil trade and my account is just so negative.
Jeez, what is this? Tick value on oil just needs to be higher, I think. I'm gonna start a petition to the CME. Indices are kind of crap.
Yeah, I've actually lost all my money on the indices.
Same. Funny enough.
Everything else has been pretty good.
Long gold, but it's not looking too hopeful. ES take out its
Yeah,
higher.
they got that high.
Yeah.
Interesting how weak the indexes are compared to the gap, you know?
Yeah. Little bit shocking, I guess, but gold better get moving here. Otherwise, I might close it.
Can't believe we're in a 63-point NQ range still.
Would you expect anything different on a day like this?
Oh, this gold long looks okay, I think.
Okay. Now let's look at ES still not taking out that overnight high. You just do it already.
Get it over with, son.
Could take out that overnight low and give the stat. Good. That would be crazy from there. Actually, the overnight high on ES is, MES is the nuts one. Holy fuck. What happened to gold? I was long and up and now I'm down.
You can sell that pop now? All that effort and they still couldn't get ES up to the overnight high?
Not yet. They will.
Not a good look for me.
Are you long ES?
I'm not. Is anybody?
No.
I'm not.
The better play probably is to just long indices. Literally just long the indices. I'm just sitting in a gold short in this oil long.
The only thing is oil just doesn't pay. Well, at least the current range.
I need to try to add another one. to my oil.
Gold. What was all was looking at?
I'm literally not gonna take any profits on.
Gold said, "F you, Leo."
Yeah, your longs.
Damn.
I tried the long too, and then when they kind of stalled, I just hit the reoffer. Forget it, dude. Forget it.
Well, with that drop, ES took the overnight, the high, I think.
They got me pretty nice on that. There goes my competition.
You could not be down as bad as me and Kane right now.
No, I don't think so. I'm currently down $620.
You serious?
Yeah, I've been max contracting every position on purpose.
Kane are just firing off full
So-
clip everywhere, taking it off probably, and then putting it back on.
I have my personal account on my other screen. I haven't taken a single good trade on that either.
That was you let your personal account up at the same time.
Yeah, but like, no. Like,
Insane.
I'm not trading those trades on that. Fuck me, no way. I'm just waiting for an NQ trade, and there's absolutely nothing there.
My
So I'm
brain
just-
would explode if I tried to trade my personal while doing this. Kane, did you cover gold yet?
Oh, I'm well out of it. Yeah.
Oh, good, good. I was gonna say you can go ahead and cover that now. Go ahead and just log out for me, yeah.
Oh, bro, I'm down. Don't worry about that. I've got a different competition going on. I'm seeing how fast I can turn 25K into zero.
If you can draw down 25K with micros, that is amazing.
Stowe's pretty good at that. Stowe for the first competition he had came back from like negative to $12,000 or something.
Oh yeah, yeah, he
Well,
did
yeah,
come all over.
How's that even fucking possible?
Was that micros though?
Well, it was more that you could trade more than micros.
Oh, okay. If you gave me unlimited minis here, this should be crazy. It'd be gone instantly.
Dude, if we had minis on right now.
I think I'm green. I don't know. I don't really check. I know I'm green. I'm not red.
Definitely not green. I got totally washed out on the GC long a minute ago. I didn't have a stop in, so that's what you get for not having a stop. You know?
Is that what happens when you have a stop?
Yeah, you get.
You're supposed to diamond hands it.
Stop loss.
Yeah.
Bro, I use a stop.
You don't lose the trade unless you close it. You know what I mean?
Right.
Everybody knows that.
Yes, of course. All right. Well, we got index shorts are working so far. Overnight high did find some sellers, so hopefully that helps me out a little bit.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, Jim.
Man, what a morning, huh?
I'm still trying to figure out what's happening right now.
What a morning. Yeah, I don't know about that, Jim. It's not been the best.
Well, here's the thing. I was so bullish on XYZ because my hope and prayer was when I meet up with him at the Vegas at the F1, he's going to buy me dinner. Now it's looking like I'm going to have to buy him dinner.
Yeah, you're gonna have to buy him dinner and a house.
Oh, okay. Let's take a look at the leaderboard if we got a second. All right, here we are. So far, Josh C in first place, 1450. It's moving around in real time. Joanna Trading is second. Player one, Chu, who's been up at the top the whole morning long, I've been watching, is in fourth. And then this is kind of moving down for fifth place, all over $1,000. Our featured traders, Market Mommy, is doing it. Then T-Trades is in second place. A little green, but I'm going to say green is good, man. XYZ, you could catch up, brother. Carmine, Leo, Trader Kane, and Nick. Well, Nick's not up here yet. He's not going to be up here, but those are our featured traders.
Boys, how are we?
Tired.
How's it going?
What's up, everybody?
Howdy.
What's up, Keen?
How's things? This is...
I've never treated gold before in my life, and I probably have like 30 tickets on it so far today.
Yeah. I think all my main losses have come from gold, to be honest.
I got railed on everything else, and gold's the only thing keeping me up.
Are you sure? Or...
I shorted gold like 3 times.
I'm still short ES at the 88s, but it's the only thing that I've made like any type of analysis on today.
Yeah. I really want indices to die, but it's purely emotion at this point.
Yo, I'm in first place with $5. Let's go.
That's very
Crazy.
If you imagine you win by just not losing the most. That's that.
Bro, I started out and I was down like $300 right away. Like right off the open, I was in every single asset. And then I had to bring it back.
Gold's taking a big hit.
It's getting sold.
Now I'm just down 14 points on it.
It's like what? 300 bucks?
To be honest with you.
14 points. 3.
It's just the ATR for the 5-minute.
Yo, Market Mommy, you got 70 cents on me.
10-minute easy.
How about this? If I win this, I'll send you $10 for dinner.
In this economy,
All right, 15. Less talking, more action. Unfortunately, I do not have the money or funds to move the entire futures market. So, unless you do, and give us some action.
It's a good thing we've got Carmine here.
Yeah.
Carmine.
Carmen, thank you for your resistance level. It's been playing really well so far.
Unbelievable. I was break even for like 10 seconds.
Can you simultaneously trade 3 contracts of micro and mini NASDAQ? No, the contracts are limited to the micros.
I think you misread it. He was saying gold and NASDAQ at the same time, which you can do.
Oh, yes, you can. Yeah. Well, that's the thing is like the challenge allows you to trade 5 markets, MNQ, MES, 6E, micro gold, and micro CL. So I think the biggest thing I would have done differently today is just traded NQ and nothing else. Because had I done that, I would have been, my results would have been different. Now it's easy to say that in retrospect and hindsight, but the fact is, the lesson for me is that there's a reason that I only focus and trade one market intraday, because I get lost in, when I'm focused on one market, I really don't care about what else is going on. So that gold move caught me by surprise. I didn't realize how big of a liquidation gold had today until I looked at the chart, like zoomed out a little bit.
I mean, regardless of the competition or not, today would have been a hard day.
Hard day.
Oh,
Yeah, for sure.
Regardless of the competition.
The top place was like $2,000, I think, right now. The first qualifier round, I think top was like 7 or 8,000. So, it has been tough. The markets are slow. There's really not much out there to capitalize on.
The funny thing is, like, even if you place a trade, it's like, what, you get 5 to 10 points. It's like $20.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like, can't really do much.
During lunch, I was scalping NASDAQ for like 3 points a pop.
Oh yeah.
You feel like you're.
When I saw my profit go up like $5, and I was like, yeah, I can't do this no more.
Yeah. He's like, I wonder if I can outpace commissions.
For micros, you can't. Because the round trip, it's not favorable to scalp micros.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like gold's the only way to kind of get some leverage,
Yeah.
but even that's just really kind of garbage right now.
Yeah. Range compression in gold, it's like almost half of the ATR it was this morning.
Yeah. I wonder what would it would have been without a 400-point gap up.
That's true. What's crazy is 10,000 people, for us being this red, we're still like in the top 30%, 25%.
I mean, what could possibly go wrong? You have this nice trend line right here that's holding.
Yeah.
Don't
It's
forget
not
to
like
draw the safety line.
Oh,
it's not like we're consolidating or anything.
I don't know how to do those. Could you tell me? Could you teach me?
So, like, if you change the color, I think it makes it stronger or safer. I don't know. If you make it like a
Yeah.
thicker line,
Get like a.
it's less likely to break the line. You know what I mean?
Yeah, she gets it.
Yeah, this is some real sauce coming out today. Do I have to pay for this information?
Yeah, you owe me 50 Bitcoin.
50?
Wow.
Why so cheap?
Come on, that's family discount.
Wow, that's crazy. Whoa, nice little spike.
Man, so we got more range in the last 30 seconds than we did all afternoon.
NQ just had a 12.5 point spike. That's not too bad. ES gave us 2.5, and gold is now continuing its descent downwards.
Should I get my account to $0?
Why not?
You should.
That'd be kind of fun. All right, we'll see if we can do that.
No, leave it. Get it to 69.42.
All right,
If you do that, I will buy you a Porsche GT3 RS.
How do I get one?
That is, no. I don't have the liquidity to buy 2. Otherwise, I would also buy 1. I'd have to sell some things.
I'm gonna try to get it right to 0.
Just as a reminder to everyone, though, you may see everyone's P&L today and think, wow, everyone sucks. But like being forced to trade a market, and when I say forced, I mean no one's actually really forcing, but for entertainment purposes and in the spirit of competition, we're only really competing against each other, and we all don't really care about who wins and who loses. So if you see someone down a large amount or up a large amount, take it with a pinch of salt. It's one day. Doesn't really determine who is or isn't a good trader based on one day.
I was taking 50 trades in a day.
Yeah, Carmine's a one and done guy, and he's traded more than this day than he has the last month. So yeah, I am bankrupt. Oh my gosh, I am. That's true. I just hope they don't see the watch collection, the car, the house. I hope they don't take any of these. That would be awful. And there it is.
Thank you, folks. Great job this afternoon. And what Kane said is absolutely right. It is tough to trade under certain conditions that you don't make on your own in front of everybody in a limited amount of time, but they all did a great job. So let's hit that thumbs up button. Let's hit that subscription button. Appreciate you guys being here with us. Having said all that, folks, thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of NinjaTrader Live. You are all awesome. Until then, remember, be safe out there. Be good to each other. We'll see you tomorrow.
This presentation is for educational purposes only. All of the symbols, trading ideas, and live trading are for demonstrational purposes and are not recommendations or trading advice. Past performance may not be indicative of future results. All of the information and opinions expressed by third-party guests are their own and are not necessarily those of NinjaTrader, LLC. Trading futures involves substantial risk and may not be suitable for everyone, and trading futures can result in losses greater than the initial required margin. Traders should only trade futures with risk capital. Risk capital is money that you can afford to lose without jeopardizing your financial security or current lifestyle. You can find additional disclosure information on the NinjaTrader website.